Why do I look like Pippi Longstockings today?
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before we can get on into this video, please don't forget to subscribe. I do anything from sewing to DIY to fashion, so if you're into that kind of thing, then you can go ahead and subscribe if you want to support in a more monetary way. There'll be a GoFundMe link down below. All proceeds will go back into my channel, and you are supporting small content creators such as myself. It takes a lot of materials for these videos, and I want to make sure that you guys get the best content out there possible. But if nothing else, go ahead and subscribe because engagement is the best way and it's free and we have a lot of fun on this channel. Okay, so we got all the extra shenanigans out the way. Let's go do something with this. So we're in the bathroom. First thing to do, get my hair out these picked up braids so we can kind of examine the hot mess that's about to unfold. So this is practically my hair out the pigtail braids. Nothing exciting whatsoever. The next thing that we need to do is to take some kind of parting tool. So I'm using this pick. And the best way I part my hair is by putting the pick up to my nose because it's generally where the center of my face is. I'm just following it upwards to part down the middle of my head. Now that we're nearly looking like Nickelback without the beard, we are going to wet our hair. If you guys haven't seen my first hair cutting video, go check that out. But what I said in that video was that if you have curly hair, you will cut on dry hair. But in most of all cases in which I am just going to do, because I know it's not right to do, but I already don't know what the hell I'm doing. I am going to wet my hair in this case. I feel like it's going to give a more even cut whenever I put my hair in layers. Make sure that your hair is also detangled. Now that you have everything prepared, get a ponytail and hair cutting scissors. And we are going to start from the first layer and kind of do like a little trim, then work the way up, cut a little bit more off, and then that will be creating the layers as we kind of go up into about 3 or 4 layers of what I'm going for, just depending on what you want, I guess. Don't screw up your hair. Like I said, it's not going to be on me, it's going to be on you if you try this at home. So let's get on to it. Okay, y'all, so we did the layers. It actually didn't take me that long. It took me like 5 minutes maybe? I don't know, maybe a little bit longer. But so far from what I see, I actually do like the layers. So we'll see how it looks with my hair curled. I am going to re-wet my hair and then, yeah, we'll get started on the bangs, which I'm kind of nervous about. But yeah, go ahead and part, wet your hair, and then the bangs shenanigans shall begin. So how you part, in which the best way that they described it to me was depending on how big your forehead is, you go back a certain amount. So I'm gonna go back about right here, and then you're gonna part in a triangular direction. So I can't really see in my little viewfinder, so I'm gonna go to the mirror This is the parting of the hair. It's supposed to look like a right triangle, so if it doesn't, then make it look like a right triangle. Use your geometry skills, kids and adults. I look like Winona Ryder when she was playing on Beetlejuice. So funny. I'm following the methods of a hairstylist. I know, like, I am not a hairstylist, but this is what we're gonna do. Pretty much, you're just gonna take your fingers or a clip, the clip works, and you're gonna place them where you want to cut your hair. So I may do about right here. And then you're going to kind of put both of your fingers on top of each other, like so. And then twist your hair this way. This is where things get a little bit complicated. You're gonna take your scissors and at an angle, you're going to snip like this at an angle to create, you know, kind of like frills at the end. The main goal is to still cut evenly, but they said this does something, so I am going to follow directions. Let's see what it did. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So as you guys can see, this is kind of my hair. I look like my brother. Okay, y'all, the last thing to do is to just wash my hair, put some product in it, and then I'll be back to show you the final results. Okay, we are back. Are you ready to see the transformation? 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's hella messy right now. I don't know, like, if I was, you know, aggravating my hair to the point, but it's been really frizzy, maybe because it's been kind of humid lately. I don't know. I actually really like it. I was so surprised at the results. I was a little taken back because I really imagined my hair being thick and voluptuous and, you know, just something that it's not. I look like Jennifer Grey from Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Like, it's just a vibe. If you guys like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Also engage by commenting down below. Do you like this hairstyle or not? Engagement, like liking, subscribing, and commenting is the best way to support your small content creators because we are considered nobodies to this society and you guys make us somebody. Man, that was deep. But leaving you guys on that note, I hope to see you guys next time. Love you bunches. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.